Kinaklaro ko lang, Mr. Chair, kasi ang ayaw natin, if it will serve to heighten the risk of the military confrontation with the Philippines, potentially becoming a pawn sa power struggle ng US at China, ayaw din naman natin yon. O sa adversaries ng US, kung yung mga sinasabi niyong interoperable measures ay will threaten lalo, ayaw natin, well, sa bahagi po ng Makabayan Bloc, we would like yung solution sa mga marital disputes should be grounded in diplomacy and peaceful negotiations, no? Alam ko mahirap po 'yon, sinasabi ninyo, no, Secretary, Mr. Chair. But yung military alliances po na nagpo-provoke ng aggression, ayaw din naman natin 'yon, Mr. Chair. So, yung proteksyon na kailangan natin, no, yung mga treaties na ginagawa ng gobyerno, hindi sana yung makakaladkad talaga tayo sa mga giyera. Yun naman yung gusto naming sabihin, Mr. Chair.
Well noted, Madam Chair. I think that is the same concern. However, we have to point out that the aggressor here is only one actor. That's why I said China is the greatest disruptor of peace in the West Philippine Sea. They have illegally reclaimed areas. They are claiming areas which is well beyond their jurisdiction. For example, the Sabina Shoal, which is only 60 nautical miles away from Palawan. Yung pagkakaladkad ho sa atin sa gera, anong ini-expect po ng China sa atin kung hindi patatagin ng ating sarili sa katulong ng iba? Kung gawin man natin o hindi ito, tutuloy-tuloy sila. Kasi world domination under a new model of international governance ang gusto ng China, which is a guise for their hegemony, their dynastic and imperialistic politics. Sa atin po, tinatatag lang po natin ang credible deterrent posture natin. We have no intention of claiming our own 9-dash line in the South China Sea. It's far from it. What we want is our 200 nautical mile exclusive economic zone, other areas where we have jurisdiction, to be exclusively for the benefit of our citizens, the way we want to do it, the way the Congress wants to do it, without the pressure of China dictating or bear hugging us to deal with them solely. That's all we want.